Some Redmi Note 5 Pro users have complained about an issue that reduces the volume output, specifically when using a headset. The affected Redmi Note 5 Pro users reported the problem on the Mi community forums. Xiaomi has addressed it by releasing an MIUI 9.2.5.0 OTA over-the-air update that is already rolling out for all the Redmi Note 5 Pro users. The new issue notably emerges days after the release of a face unlock feature for the handset. The issue, which has impacted some users as per the posts on Mi community, drops the volume output when using headphones. However, it doesn't apparently affect the volume output from the loudspeaker. In a statement, Xiaomi spokesperson said, "We received feedback from Redmi Note 5 Pro users about the audio output via the 3.5mm jack. We have addressed the issue, and users are already starting to see an OTA MIUI v9.2.5.0 update, which fixes the issue." You can check the availability of the new update by going to the Settings System Updates option or by using the Updater app. Xiaomi's quick response to the Redmi Note 5 Pro volume issue shows how the Chinese company wants to continue making the competition tougher for other smartphone vendors. Last month, the company released MIUI 9.2.4 OTA update to bring its face unlock feature on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. The dual SIM smartphone was launched in India with a starting price of Rs. 13,999. It has a 5.99-inch Full HD 1080x2160 pixels display, octa-core Snapdragon 636 SoC, 4GB and 6GB RAM options, dual rear camera setup, and a 4000 mAh battery.